Well, as you see, I'm welding a new exhaust, and it's kind of done right now. I will show you what my idea is. I was trying to make a kind of a muffled sound, so I thought that these 90 degrees angles would work like a muffler, because the air is not getting out really in an easy way. And yeah, it seems to kind of work. And yeah, I will put the camera on the tripod. We will start it up. And, so as you could hear, the engine sounds like a racing lawnmower, but when you are driving at low RPM or just staying at low RPM, it sounds really normal. It's not an annoying loud sound, but when you give full throttle you can really hear the noise.